Hello guys, welcome back to eCraft Geeks. Today I am going to introduce you all to software engineering object modeling techniques. So, let's start. Object modeling technique, that is OMT, is a real world based modeling approach for software modeling and designing. It was developed basically as a method to develop object oriented systems and to support object oriented programming. It describes the static structure of the system. OMT is easy to draw and use. It is used in many applications like telecommunication, transportation, compilers, etc. It is also used in many real world problems. OMT is one of the most popular object oriented development techniques used nowadays. OMT was developed by James Rumbach. Now, let's see the purposes of OMT. First, to test the physical entity before construction of it. Second, to make communication easier with the customers. Third, to present information in an alternative way, that is, visualization using the diagrams. Fourth, to reduce the complexity of the software and to solve the real world problems. Now, let's see the various object modeling techniques models. There are three main types of models that has been proposed by OMT. First is the object model. The object model encompasses the principles of abstraction, encapsulation, modularity, hierarchy, typing, concurrency, and persistence. Object model basically emphasizes on the object and class. Main concepts related with object model are classes and their associations with attributes. Predefined relationships in object models are aggregation and generalization, that is, multiple inheritance. Second is the dynamic model. The dynamic model involves states, events, and state diagram, that is, transition diagram on the model. Main concepts related with dynamic model are states, transition between states, and events to trigger the transitions. Predefined relationships in object models are aggregation and generalization, that is, concurrency. The third model is the functional model, which focuses on how the data is flowing, where data is stored, and different processes. Main concepts involved in the functional model are data, data flow, data store, data processes, and actors. Functional model in OMT describes the whole processes and actions with the help of data flow diagrams, that is DFD. Now, let's see the various phases of object modeling techniques. The OMT has the following phases. First is the analysis. This is the first phase of the object modeling technique. This phase involves the preparation of precise and correct modeling of the real world problems. Analysis phase starts with setting a goal, that is, finding the problem statement. The problem statement is further divided into above discussed three models, that is, object, dynamic, and functional model. System design. This is the second phase of the object modeling technique and it comes after the analysis phase. It determines all the system architecture, concurrent tasks, and data storage. High-level architecture of the system is designed during this phase. Third, object design. This is the third phase of the object modeling technique, and after system design is over, this phase comes. Object design phase is concerned with classification of objects into different classes and about attributes and necessary operations needed. Different issues related with generalization and aggregation are checked. Fourth, implementation. This is the last phase of the object modeling technique. It is all about converting prepared design into the software. Design phase is translated into the implementation phase, and thus the software is prepared. I hope you all are clear with all the concepts of object modeling technique. Thank you.